Hello guys, welcome to my famous YouTube channel. We have a lot of fun using machine learning program using Python. We will proceed further to study more programs using machine learning using Python, more videos, as we have gone through many videos on fear and deface library, which are very popular facial emotion recognition library, and we have done a lot of videos on that. Today's video was desperately needed. It is all about facial emotion recognition using Tensorflow. For that, let us go through the Python file. First part, importing the required libraries, then test data and train data, in which the images are stored of different sentiment analysis, in the sense facial emotion, angry, disgusting, fear, happy, lot of then rows column, then classes 7. As we know, there are 7 classes with disgusting, happy, and etc. Then function count express, it is for search the particular images in the directory, that list dir. Then plot a graph using matplotlib, this is for PLT figure size 1422, and here I'm plotting the graph. Now plt.show is to show the graph, matplotlib. Now I will execute the program. Yes, these are the images: sad, angry, fear, surprise, disgust, happy, and these are the analysis: matplotlib, sad, angry, fear, disgusting, and this thing. So train, these are about that. Here sad and the number of images, test and train, and here is the analysis exploring the data set. So I have successfully done with facial emotion recognition using Tensorflow. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. Please comment about video, because I have taken more efforts to create this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.